Welcome to Stock Talk. This is your host, Scott. Hope you had a good day in the market. We did have a good day. Market was up most of the day, all day pretty much. Pretty good too, as well as it went up to 600 and something points at one time. Ends up closing up at 500 and something. It was a really good day. Our portfolio had a good day, except for a couple of stocks were in the red. One of those being NVAX. NVAX pulled back a good bit today. On low volume, so we're going to take a look at that, and we'll talk about the trades I made today. Made several trades today, and other than that, we'll take a look at that, and then we'll take a look at what's going on in the market tonight. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on, what went on today with our portfolio. Let me get over to that. So here's our portfolio. I do have it sorted, and the big winner today was MPC. MPC is one that is really gotten beat up, but it's had a couple of really good days here. So we're glad to see that. Up 16.22%. Awesome day for MPC, $4.61. That's a great day for MPC, and it was strong all day long. Stronger as the day went on. So GBTC, which is our Bitcoin trust, also up double digits to 14.29%. We got a couple other ones that are double digits. We got DAL, that's Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines up 12.24%. We did sell out of that one today. We sold out of that one today at, let's see here, we sold at $27. So $27. We bought that one back on 422, which was a week ago today. And we made 20.37% on that one in a week. So went ahead and took that one. Next, we have Cliff up 11.64%. So that's a good day for those, double digits. All of them green here. Big loser for the day was our Nova. So NovaVax was down 10.39% today. Had a rough day. Started out about, halfway decent. Then it just had a rough day from there. Here's the chart on it. You can see here, just a downward slope. I bought in twice today. Once at 19.15, somewhere right around in here. And then it kept falling, so I just added to my position at 18.10. Didn't get really excited about none of this today because the volume's at normal volume, maybe a little bit low. So I don't feel like anything's going on, with the big boys or anything like that. I think that's just some weak hands, or either some profit takers taking their money. It's been on a pretty good run, so I wouldn't blame anybody for taking that money. But it did add to that position. We've been wanting to add. Last ones we sold, if you recall, were at the $20 mark, so we're starting to buy some now a little bit lower than that. So, but these will be held for a very short time if it turns around. So this is not a long-term anything. Okay, but it's a good solid stock. I think any news on the Novavax, any news that comes out has to do with their vaccine that they're working on. I don't expect a whole lot of news about that, but if anything comes out anytime soon, that will probably give it a pop. Any news on the approval for the nano flu, that's really what I'm expecting at some point. I think it's going to be about a month off before they even start their human testing on the vaccine, so maybe a while before we hear anything. And if this thing goes for a long time without any news and the volume starts to drop, you'll see it start to dip even more. But it did hold up last time. It kind of plateaued out, and even on the low volume days, it was doing pretty good. So it's pretty strong. I like that. I like this stock, even though I've been out of it except for my cash account. But we'll keep an eye on it. We'll be adding to it if it continues to fall, as long as we have cash to do that with. All right. So let's go back and take a look at the rest of the portfolio here. ACB was down as well. Let me go ahead and get that resorted. Something that's sorted. Okay, there's Novavax was the bottom, and ACB was down a little bit. So That's all right. That's gonna go do a reverse split here pretty soon, so we're not really even studying that one right now. So that's okay. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on in our pre-market and post-market, post day. So let's see here. There's what the day numbers were. Up 532, S&P up 76, and then the NASDAQ was up 306. So that's good. That's a good day for sure. Pre-market. Let's take a look at pre-market. Looks like pre-market is pretty flat. It's just barely moving at the moment. The NASDAQ's up a little bit on the futures there, about a third percent. Um, doesn't look like a whole lot is going on now. After the earnings came in this evening, Facebook did real good. Tesla did good. Microsoft did good. So this may change before tomorrow. We'll just have to keep an eye on that. But the earnings came in pretty good, so may have a good start to tomorrow. It wouldn't surprise me if it didn't start out a little bit on the strong side. Um, but it would surprise me if it held up all throughout the day, especially after today, because today was just a strong day all the way around. So hopefully we can get some things sold prior to the sell-off tomorrow. Um, hopefully it doesn't sell off, but if it keeps going throughout the day, that'd really surprise me. QQQ is real close to getting sold. The VTI is real close to getting sold. Other than that, we'll probably be looking for opportunities to buy. If NVAX dips too much further, we may add to that a little bit. But we're trying to build that cash back up a little bit. Either one of those QQQs or VTIs, if either one of those sales, that's going to get us in a good cash position. We're not bad now. We're probably in the 20% range, and but I like to be a little bit higher than that. But we'll be watching tomorrow for an opportunity, either buy or sell, as always. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed your day in the market. I hope it's a good day tomorrow. Appreciate you watching the videos. Have a great night. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking this button right here. Thanks.